Now, this webinar is going to be for people who, like myself now, are working a lot from home and want to improve the way that they communicate with their team. Hello everyone and welcome. So on 22 June I'm going to run a webinar about effective online communications. Now, this webinar is going to be for people who, like myself now, are working a lot from home and want to improve the way that they communicate with their team. So I'm going to discuss in there human interaction. Right? How do people typically interact in a one-to-one basis, but how does this change when we are actually doing this online? Secondly, I'm going to look at different tools that you can use in order to send your message. We use many tools now for online communication, right? So Zoom and Teams and WhatsApp and Skype and you name it. But lots of time we actually use the wrong tool for the message that we are trying to send. So I'm going to teach you what to look for in the tool that you use in order to send the right message and to make sure that the message is delivered correctly. Lastly, I'm going to show you how you can actually build great rapport with the people who you talk to online, and also how to be more confident when you're speaking online. So for example, when you're doing your Zoom calls, how can you be more confident? And how can you actually build a connection with the people who you're communicating with? So these are the topics I'm going to go through, right? And you want to join because you actually optimize and improve your communications online. And you'll also be very clear to anyone who joins your meetings or your presentations. So this way you can ensure that what you want to send will actually be recognized and be picked up by the people who you want to deliver this to. I hope to see you on the 22nd. Bye.